Most people get this wrong. They think affiliate networks are complicated and expensive. But the surprising truth is that ShareASale offers a merchant-friendly platform that makes affiliate marketing easier than you might expect. Today, I'll share my honest review. ShareASale is a network that connects merchants with thousands of affiliates. You won't believe what happens next once you set up your merchant account. You can quickly list products or services, create commission structures, and start recruiting affiliates to promote your brand. The dashboard is clean, and reporting tools help you track clicks, sales, and top-performing affiliates. A key benefit is the flexibility in commission models. You can set flat rates, percentages, or tiered rewards depending on your campaign goals. ShareASale also handles affiliate payouts, tax reporting, and tracking, which saves time and ensures compliance. Integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce makes setup straightforward. However, there are some drawbacks. ShareASale charges a setup fee and transaction fees on affiliate sales, which can add up for smaller businesses. Some users also report that the affiliate recruitment process requires effort. Success depends on attracting the right affiliates to promote your products effectively. The surprising truth is that ShareASale is ideal for merchants looking to scale sales through affiliates without managing every detail manually. It's particularly valuable for e-commerce brands and service providers who want measurable results. In conclusion, ShareASale is a robust and user-friendly affiliate network that simplifies affiliate marketing while giving you control over campaigns and commissions. For merchants ready to grow sales, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest affiliate marketing reviews and tips to help you grow your business online.